In this video, I'm going to show you probably one of the most important and common practices that you'll have as a Moodle teacher, and that is to upload a file. What you want to do is be in the class and be in the module that you're interested in uploading the file to. You want to have editing on. Click Add a Resource and then select File. A simple dialog box shows up that allows you to name and describe the file that you're going to add. I'm going to call this Answers to Final Review. And for description, I usually just recycle the name and cut and paste it right into the description box. The next important thing that you have to do is select the content to add. So under Select File, just click the Add button, and it takes you to this file picker. Click Upload a File, and then click the Browse button. Look in your hard drive for something that you want to update, and click the Upload button. The file that I added happens to be a Word document, and so the students would have to have Word in order to be able to open it. You may want to consider uploading PDFs if your students do not have access to Word. I click Save and Return to Course, and when I get back to my module, I see Answers to Final Review. When the students click on it, they have this dialog box that asks them what they want to open it with. And if they click Open, it goes into their downloads depending on which browser they're using, and then here's the file that I uploaded. The students have access to it. It's a Word file. It's opened up on their computer. They can modify it. They can save it on their own hard drive, do whatever they need to with it. You have just shared that information with them by uploading a file. Now I'm going to show you something related, and that is adding a folder. So if I go to Add a Resource and then click Folder, I get this dialog box that allows me to add a folder to my module. So I'll name my folder just Test Folder, and I'm going to put multiple files in here. Again, my description is going to be the same as what my name was because I'm not very creative. And then I'll click Add. Browse. And then I'm going to put that same Word document that I put in before. And now I can click Add again and browse for a different file. Now I've got two documents in this folder. One is a Word document and the other one is a PowerPoint. If I click Save and Return to Course, the students see a folder, Test Folder. When they click on it, what they'll see is both of these files, links to both of those files that are now stored on Moodle, and they can access either one of those documents and do what they need to with them. So that gives you two ways to share both individual files and groups of files that may be related to each other by the use of a folder.